What is up, guys? Good morning. Basically, I just woke up, so I'm pretty tired, but in today's video we're going to be working on the Z. So as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be de-ricing my 350Z. So if you guys haven't heard or you don't know, this is my new to me Nissan 350Z. It's a 2005, so it is the rev up. It has about 160,000 miles on it, so it's seen better days. And as you can see, it's not, you know, a nice clean stock when it has, you know, mods and suspension and wheels and flimsy bumpers. And yeah, it's a little sketchy, almost like as if it's like a lemon car. Probably is a lemon car, but anyways, in today's video we're just going to be like the title and thumbnail say, de-ricing my 350Z. So what I consider rice might not be what you guys consider rice, so please don't get offended or triggered in the comment section. This video is just basically like me not liking the mods that the previous owner did to the car, and basically I'm just going to take those mods off. To begin, we're going to remove this banner. I really don't like it. Throttle banner, I just don't agree with it. This has to go. This to me is like really ricey, and I think it looks really tacky, and I don't like it. Just coming on the inside of the car, the door is broken, but I have the a new door handle to fix it, but we'll do that in a separate video. Coming on the inside of the car, what I consider rice be this whole entire dashboard sticker bomb right here. I just think it's really tacky, and if you ask me, like, Ford performance, really, why would you put that on a Nissan product? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. Just like little things like the air freshener has to go. There's trash all throughout the car. Just, you know, little things like removing stupid little stickers like that. If you come around to the back, we're not going to be debadging the car. Maybe in the future we might do a debadging, but just for now we're going to peel this plastic dip off the chrome finish. All right, here you can kind of just like pick it off with your fingernails, but we're gonna do that. Debadge remove the plastic dip, because I think that is just, I don't know, I just really don't think plastic dip looks good. And as far as that, I'm really trying to see what else this car needs. Yeah, honestly, we're just gonna give it a light cleanup and de-rice it. And yeah, guys, so you guys have no idea how long I've been waiting to take this banner off, and finally it's time to remove this ricey banner. Cool. So, wow, it's really on there. Okay. Oh, we ripped it. There you go. Oh, it's leaving like residue behind. I hope it doesn't do that the whole way. On top of this banner being so tacky, just like the Throttle brand, I really don't like putting that type of stuff on my car unless it's like a true sponsorship. So obviously the previous owner was like probably buying some merch to win like a car or something, and there's nothing wrong with that. Just I personally would never, like, I'd buy like a shirt or something, not like a windshield banner from them, unless I was sponsored. So there we go, the banner is removed. So now the next step, we are just going to hop inside. Before my GoPro dies, I'm probably going to be switching over to my iPhone and take these stickers off. Hopefully there's not like any cracks or nothing like that. Hopefully I have like a clean dashboard. So that's rice. This is actually a really good oil brand. I think that's like JDM oil brand or something. That's rice. Drift HQ. This is actually a cool sticker, but still rice. 1320. No. Take this RICER shit off. I think this is like a wheel brand, 52, and this is like a Euro Tune brand or something. So this is satisfying, guys. There's a legend sticker right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I kind of like it, because I don't know if you guys follow Dustin Williams, but super cool YouTuber, and this is his brand. So I think I'm gonna leave that there just because it blends in and it looks really clean. So I guess one sticker won't hurt. Call me rice, but I'm gonna leave that one there. Yeah, guys, so the GoPro did die, so we are switching over to my iPhone. But yeah, we removed the windshield banner and all the ricey dashboard stickers. So the next thing I think we should do would be to just pop this little air freshener thing off right here. It is kind of cool, like, and if it was new I would have kept it, but it's all like nasty and old, and yeah, no bueno. Just gonna throw that in the pile, and I think the next thing we are going to do to the Z, let's take this little guy off right here. It's rice. Kicker, I don't have a kicker in my car, so if you know, you can do me Tokyo. You see me, then you have to go Fast and Furious. I don't know, guys. Comment down below this unbothered sticker. It's kind of cool, kind of not. I don't know if I should keep it or not. I didn't put it there, so just let me know down in the comments if I should take this off or just leave it on, because it looks okay. But I think the next thing to do is come around to the back. I am actually going to try to get some Goo Gone and try to rub all this Plasti Dip off. So I'll be back in 1 second with the product that I'm going to use to take this off, and hopefully it works because this stuff is on there. I didn't find any Goo Gone in my garage, so I tried alcohol and that didn't really work. So basically what I'm going to do is take some of this fish string and debadge the 350Z and the Nissan logo, and then I can just pick at the Plasti Dip until it comes off. I'm just being cheap and I don't want to have to buy some Goo Gone, so now I have that off. Now this fishing line really hurts my fingers, but I'm doing it for a good cause. Ow. Awesome. Cool. So guys, I'm going to take all of this old 3M tape off of the paint, and then I will pick up the camera as soon as I get that done so we can start taking this Plasti Dip off of the Nissan logos and badges. And then I'll probably buy some fresh 3M tape and then just rebadge the car. I don't know if I'll do the Nissan. Probably will have to because it has these holes in here. Might do the 350Z, I might not, we'll see. But the method that I found most effective, because I don't have Goo Gone, is just taking a bucket or any type of container and filling it with alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, and just letting the badges sit in the rubbing alcohol for about like 20-30 minutes. I find that it's really easy to just scratch off the old Plasti Dip with my fingernails. It comes right off, so I'm just gonna let these soak for another like 20-30 minutes just so I can get all the rest of the Plasti Dip off. But while we're doing that, we are gonna come and peel off this Hoonigan sticker because I almost forgot about this. So this should come right off. Oh man, it's leaving like this nasty residue behind. Yeah, this must have been on the car forever. All right. We took the badge off, but it still left this nasty residue on the paint, so I think we're just gonna take some rubbing alcohol and just take all of this stuff off. I hate that. Here is our ball of rice, and right now I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So sorry about the dogs barking in the background if they do bark, but basically this is the final product of the badges. They're not mounted like 100% straight or 100% on. I do need to get some 3M tape to mount them on the right way, but this is how they look. Took off about like 97% of all of the Plasti Dip. Looks a million times better, just goes with the car more, blends in. I like it. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's take off this stupid logo right here. This is the most stupidest thing ever. If it says 350Z right there and it has a Nissan badge on the opposite side, why would you get a little tiny like Z emblem logo decal thingy and put it here. That never made sense to me at all. Being that we're in Florida and the car does get like sun damage to the paint, you can see like the faded kind of Hoonigan letters still on here, so I'm gonna try to buff and wax that out. But basically overall, we took off the Hoonigan badge, we took off this little Z logo at the bottom. I'm gonna clean that up. We debadged the back badges to take off the plasti dip. We took off the little kicker sign coming inside. We took off all of these stickers on the dashboard, that little sticker bomb right there. Coming around, we took the banner off. It does look like it's getting ready to rain. It probably will only rain for like 20 minutes, but I think I'm gonna close out today's video. So anyways, boys, with all that being said, stay tuned for next video. I'm gonna be removing spacers, cleaning up the curb rash on the rims, and deep cleaning the interior of the car. I might even buff and wax the paint to see if I can bring that back to life. I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me, spending a little bit of time with me. Be sure, if you already haven't, hit the subscribe button. I can't stress this enough. Road to 1K, we're halfway there. We just hit 500 subs, so thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Drop a comment down in the comment section. I make sure to answer all of your guys' comments the best I can. And yeah, so until the next video, I'll see you guys then. Peace out.